In this video, I'll show you how to make a watermark on CapCut. So open up your CapCut. What you need to do, when it comes to watermark, I think there are two watermark you can be able to, there are two types of watermark you can be able to use to protect your work. So they have the logo watermark, they have the text watermark. So we want to create the text watermark. So I'm going to click on this text. You can basically use this to protect your work from people using it without your consent. So I'll just come here, I'll type in how to edu. So I want to use this. So what I need to do now, I'm going to click on this styles. So I'm going to come on here and select the color I want. So I can be using this, I can use this dark. Then what you need to do, once you are done with this, you need to adjust the size of how you want it. Then you need to reduce this opacity. So I'm going to reduce it so you can see how it's showing. So if anybody uses your work, so it's going to be really clear that the person is using your work. So you can see it. So I'm going to just play this video so you can see I've currently added my own watermark on my work, on my material. So if you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.